Good day everyone. I'm here today to demonstrate to you on how to make your homemade DIY facial care routine. Let's go!
First of all, we're going to use our cleanser to cleanse our face. Wet your face using tap water. Then put a tiny piece of your cleanser into your fingertips. Rub it between your palms to make it bubble. Then apply gently to your skin in a circular motion. After that, rinse your face with water. Get a clean towel and gently tap your face. These are the ingredients for our exfoliation. We need water, lemon, and sugar. First, we're going to need 1/4 cup of sugar, then 10 drops of lemon, now we're going to use 1/8 cup of water. After that, we're going to mix it. As you can see, there are still granules of sugar. Now we're going to apply our exfoliation using sugar, lemon, and water. Rub it circular on your face. Leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse with water. After rinsing, tap your face with a clean, dry towel. For our face mask, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Now that we have 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, now we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then mix the mixture thoroughly until the mixture became clay-like texture. Now we're going to apply the cocoa powder and olive oil mixture face mask. You can use your concealer brush for a finer and detailed spread of the face mask. Make sure to apply to the parts of the face where we need the face mask on. Don't let the mixture touch your eyes or get into your eyes. If so, kindly rinse your eyes with water. Leave the face mask on for 5 to 12 minutes. After 5 to 12 minutes, kindly rinse off the face mask. After rinsing, kindly tap your face with dry towel. And there you have it, a homemade DIY facial routine.